Welcome to Gateway Lectures. Here we have a good question in thermodynamics. Let us go through the question. The pressure exerted by 1 kg of O2 at 150 degrees centigrade, okay, if specific volume is 0.3 meter cube per kg, okay, we have to use the van der Waals equation of state, and the constants for the van der Waals equation of state are given as A is equal to 13.93 into 10 power 4 and B is equal to 0.0314 meter cube per kg mole. So here there is an O2 gas and the mass of the gas is given as 1 kg and the temperature is given as 150 degrees centigrade, that is nothing but equal to 423 Kelvin, right? And they've said that to use the van der Waals equation of state. So what is the mean by the equation of state initially? First of all, we will see what is the equation of state. Equation of state is equation which relates dependent properties. So the equation which relates the dependent properties of a system or a fluid, consider. So let us discuss what is this. So generally what we'll be having, if you take a pure fluid, the properties will be the pressure, temperature and volume. These are the basic properties. So for example, if we were to design an equation of state, then we can take the pressure as a function of temperature or volume. This is mostly considered. Pressure as a temperature or volume for all the gases actually, and the volume as the function of temperature and pressure for most of the liquids. So considering this, here for us O2 gas is given. And coming back to equation of state, there are basically two equation of states which we will be using in the thermodynamics. One is the ideal gas equation and the other is the van der Waals equation. What is the first of all the ideal gas equation? The ideal gas equation is the simplest equation of state. Here the molecular interactions are restricted. In ideal gas equation, the molecular interactions are restricted. This is an important point to note. Will be helped in interview. What is the difference between van der Waals equation and ideal gas equation? In ideal gas equation, the molecular interactions are restricted, and in van der Waals equation, the molecular interactions like dispersion, etc., were allowed. And the van der Waals is a scientist who gave this equation in 1873, and he was the first person to produce a liquid helium. So we'll discuss what is the van der Waals equation of state. Also initially we'll take what is an ideal gas. So for an ideal gas is the simplest equation of state we said, and since ideal gas, we are talking about gas, the pressure is a function of temperature and volume. So this will be our equation of state, and that relation was given as P is equal to R bar T upon V. So for 1 gram or for 1 kg mole of an ideal gas, of a gas, then the pressure is equal to R bar T upon V. And coming back to van der Waals equation, we said that van der Waals have allowed the interactions, molecular interactions. So van der Waals equation of state. So whenever there is a molecular interaction, then there will be attraction and repulsion between the molecules, between the strands of the molecules. There will be an attraction and repulsion. So van der Waals, what he did, he taken the same ideal gas equation, but thing he did is he added the repulsion term. Since we are saying added, because here we take P is equal to R bar T upon V minus B. As the B value increases, the denominator decreases, then the numerator actually increases. The pressure is being increased. So if you consider repulsion, under repulsion, so once if two molecules repel to each other, then these molecules will be pushed far away from each other and they will hit the other molecule or they will hit the container. In that way the pressure will be increased, and thus this term is called as repulsion term. This term is called as a repulsion term. And he subtracted the attraction term. Since there will be attractions and repulsions, so if it is repulsion, it should be added to pressure, and if it is attraction, it should be subtracted from pressure, and it is given as A by V square. See here, if you can observe, this is the attraction term, this is the attraction term. Here as volume tend to be and here the B is the least possible volume that a molecule can be compressed. So least possible volume the molecule can be compressed. So I'm writing least possible volume. So as V tends to B, then we can say that pressure tends to infinity. So this means that we cannot compress the molecule. We cannot compress the molecule to the infinitely small possible space. That is nothing but B. And A by V square, as the volume square, it is in the denominator. So the more the volume, the less the attraction term will be. Okay. Now let us go back to the question. So M is given, T is given. Now we will be using the van der Waals equation of state, that is nothing but P is equal to R bar T upon V minus B minus A by V square. A, the value of A, the value of B, everything was given. But if you can observe here, the value of B, nothing but it should be a volume term. So it is given as meter cube per kg volume. So they have to be there. Therefore, we have to take kg mole of gas. For 1 kg mole of gas O2, what will be the volume? So for 1 kg mole of O2, initially the mass will be 32 kg. Is nothing but, so if you consider 1 mole of gas of O2, it occupies 32 grams. Since O2 oxygen is 16 and O2 is a molecule, so it is 16 plus 16, 32 grams. When we consider 1 kg mole or 1 kilomole, both were same, no problem here. So 1 kg mole of O2 is nothing but 32 kg. Since here kg and here also kg, because here it is multiplied by 10 by 3 and here also it is multiplied by 10 power 3. So nothing but 32 kg. Therefore, the volume, capital volume V, here specific volume is given. Specific volume nothing but total volume or capital volume V upon M, that is given as 0.3 meter cube per kg. So here volume is equal to specific volume into mass, and this mass volume is nothing but 0.3. Write down the units, meter cube per kg, into mass is 32 kg, but per kg mole, right? So here kg and kg will be cancelled, and from that we will get the mass as 9.6 meter cube per kg mole. This will be using in the equation. From that we will substitute all the terms given. R bar value is 8314. Okay, 8314 into the temperature is 423 Kelvin divided by, what is the value of V we got? 9.6 meter cube per kg mole minus 0.0314 meter cube per kg mole minus, what is the value of A? 13.93 into 10 power 4 divided upon V square, nothing but 9.6 whole square. From that we will get the value of B as 3.667 bar. Okay, the pressure is asked and the value is 3.666 bar. This is the answer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more such interesting and important conceptual questions. Here this question is actually easy when you know what is the van der Waals equation, and see, when we are learning something or doing any numerical or doing any concept, we need to know the complete details. We need to know the fundamental. So here it is said van der Waals equation. Everybody will be knowing the van der Waals equation of state. They'll just simply apply, and it is very easy actually. But you need to know what is the van der Waals equation represent. What is the difference between the van der Waals equation and ideal gas equation? What is meant by the equation of state? So here we have known there are repulsion term and attraction term due to intermolecular interactions. Since van der Waals allowed intermolecular interactions, then he observed that there is attraction and repulsion between the molecules. Due to this attraction repulsion, there will be variation in the pressure, and that variation he given as an equation. And here the value of A, generally using the critical properties, A was given an empirical relation as 27 by 64 R square T critical square upon P critical, and B is given as R T critical, temperature critical, means there will be a point called critical state. At the critical state, the temperature is Tc and pressure is Pc. upon 8 Pc. This you need not remember, but just to know that these were being found by an empirical relation. Thank you. Thanks for watching.